video, let's continue to this 943 crop PDF page. We will continue use what we use the media box that we create in this zoom part. So that gave us this our rectangle object. So you have this 4-dimension points, and let's use this for this cropped part. So it's only one this code, but we should consider this through the picture. So if if our the dimension is the exterior, the rectangle, so you can see it's our left bottom is 0, and we have this right, and this is the top, and this is the right top, the upper right corner. And if we do the change, the crops, and we will change this rectangle object, so this 4 corner or 4 points, corner points, this coordinates value, then your page is getting cropped. It's not the not getting the this zoom. So that is the difference. So let's use the code directly to demo to you. So 943 crop PDF.py. So whenever we change this coordinate position, the area outside this new rectangle will be cropped. So that is the effect. So let's do this middle one is 400 times 500. Now this 612 times 792. So let's do this one by one. So I don't copy from previous. I hope is you can also follow me to try to practice those words. So PDF reader, PDF writer, so like singing. So reader equal to PDF reader with our single quote, double quote is no matter. So test1 PDF. Let's just have a run. Is correct. Then we have our empty writer instance. And for page in reader pages, these properties are still working. And page media box. So you have two these hints, but the small box is the one that we can use. Lower left. So in your mind is please just see lower left is this corner. So we will make that 100, 100. So the area below 100 and left to the 100 will be cropped. So then similarly is the media box, the lower right. Oh, so it looks like it's the, you can see here, the lower, I suppose it's lower, this one is replaced by this underscore small. So just right equal to 500, 100. So let's keep use just lower, upper, use this right is 500 to 600. So let's see whether I got at least 2 depreciated warning. So page media box. Oh, so that is not a warning. It's not runnable because those old method is already removed from the library. Then we have a writer to add pages, add underscore page. and we will with open the now is 943 PDF with WB SF writer write F. So let's see the warning. So you can see upper the capital right is depreciated, and also I think it's only see here 1. So this one, let's change to underscore right. Then when I run, it should be stopped is upper left. So that should be underscore left. You can see this warning actually stop the running. So your file is not actually created. So now it's created. So this one, so you can see here, this one is the first page is our top content is already cropped. So that is the effect. And let's update our mind map. So here, so let's copy this. So you need to see here. So I will use this way. So lower underscore left. And I copy this to this 4. So this is the lower right. So now on this 9.4, we also got several this method is depreciated. So this 9.3, 9.4, please keep in mind and come to the mind map to get that familiar, so that you will keep using. Actually, you can only use this new the release method. So that is the additional comments on the original book. So try to keep that. So that's all for this 9.4. If we move to the let's see, so next chapter, we are coming to the third hierarchy level. Within the page, we are start to see the content, because now what we are doing is we cannot handle the text or the contents in the page, but we can change the page property or styles. So let's see. So on 9.5, we will get some more exciting the tools for your using. See you then.